Introducing the Morocco Field Scale, portable, lightweight, compact and robust. Built to handle the tough conditions of both field and packhouse environments, its durable design ensures dependable performance wherever it's used. By simply placing the product on the scale, the operator is ready to begin packing. The scale is compatible with open punnets, clamshells, bags, and trays up to 15 kilograms and can be used in a positive or negative weighing capacity. Powered by Morocco Yield Control software, the packing process is streamlined with Morocco's intuitive language transparent LED light bar, easily guiding the operator to the target weight. By simplifying the packing process for the operators, the Morocco Field Scale helps reduce product giveaway, boost yield, and drives greater profitability. Designed to meet retailer demands for accurate pre-pack weights, the Field Scale offers electronic traceability and quality assurance. The Morocco software ensures full production and packer traceability through a secure operator ID login. Real-time data capture and seamless integration into Morocco software allows complete visibility and accountability, helping meet retailer compliance and internal quality standards.